Okay, so what we're going to do is work from the worksheet we did today backwards. Okay, so it's going to be one vectors question, and it's going to have also one of these ratio things in it. The key thing to remember is that we're looking at movements. Vectors are movements, and so the movement P to Q here is that movement there. So any movement that's the same is the same movement. That's movement A. Movement A, movement A. And if you go in the reverse direction, it's minus A. And so we've got another movement here, which is PS. And this is PS. And this is movement B. And so if I did 3 B moves, that would be 3B. Okay? So these are moves. And that was the thing. I'll just switch the lights back on. And so what we've got here now is going from P to R. So P to R, I've got to get from here to here using the A moves and the B moves. Okay. And so here, over here is R. Now, I don't think I've got enough information. So R, look, here it says that Q to R is double P to S, and I know that P to S is a single B move, so this must be 2B. Remember, okay, these things are not drawn to scale, okay, they're not drawn accurately. So to get from P to R, okay, it's going to be A plus 2B moves. So my answer to this question would be A plus 2B. Okay. That, I would say, is a level 6/7 part of the question. The next bit, because it involves this ratio, is the higher up thing, the 7, 8, 9 type stuff. What I like to do is to find QX and put 3 on top. So QX is here, and so I'm going to put 3 here. And XR is here, and so I'm going to put 1 here. When you do it like that, instead of doing your normal reaction, it's just thinking that this is going to be a third or something, but we can see that there are 4 parts here, and out of the 4 parts, 3 of them are here. So this is actually 3/4, okay, of QR. Going from Q to X is 3/4 of going Q to R. And in the question, which you can see below, you've got to get from S to X. So to get from S to X, I'm going to have to go and do a reverse B move. Okay, so going from S to X, going from S to X, we need to do a reverse B move, which is that. Then I'm going to do a positive A move, which is that. Then I'm going to do 3/4 of QR. Now QR is 2B, so I need 3/4 of 2B. Now you get most of the marks for that, but to get the full marks, you'd need to simplify. So if I put into the calculator 3/4 of 2, I get 1.5. Okay, but remember I've got a -1 here. Okay, so 1.5 becomes just a half. So my final answer is A plus 1/2 B.